Hi, I'm Scovia and I love cooking. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make shakshuka. Shakshuka is a Middle Eastern, North African cuisine that you can have either in the morning or at dinner. Yeah, so in today's episode, there are options: morning or dinner or even lunch. So it's a very simple recipe. All you need is a few ingredients and everything is going to be super delicious. So let's get started. Cooking oil, then once the oil is hot, I'm going to add my onions. I've chopped one small onion. Make sure that everything is in the pan. Then I'm going to stir in my onions. Cook until the onions are soft. Once my onions are ready, I'm going to pick my roughly chopped 2 cloves of garlic. Stir in. Cook until the garlic is fragrant. About 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once fragrant, I'm going to add tomatoes. These are 4 tomatoes. Stir in. And as my tomatoes cook, I'm going to add my spices. So I'm using cumin, paprika, and chili flakes. I didn't have cayenne, but chili flakes also can apply. So I'm going to add this in my tomatoes. Then I'm going to add black pepper, salt, and if you don't like spicy, you can still leave out the chili flakes and make an awesome shakshuka. Then I'm going to stir in the spices into the tomatoes and let the tomatoes cook with the spices. Yeah. Cook until the tomatoes are soft or they are cooked through. When my tomatoes are almost cooking, I'm going to add green pepper. So I'm trying to smash the tomatoes as they cook. When mixing the green pepper. When you notice that the tomatoes are turning out dry in the pan, you can add a little bit of water and let the tomatoes simmer. Just until cooked through, yeah. So don't let your tomatoes burn, you can add water. Stir in the water and then I'm going to wait for this to come to a boil. And at this point, I'm also going to add a little bit of coriander. Stir in. Check the seasoning. I need a little bit of salt. You have to make sure that it is well seasoned because once you add the eggs, it's going to be hard to season your food, your shakshuka. Stir in. So you're going to reduce the flames to low or medium low. Then I'm going to make a well in my pan, crack in my egg, and place it in my tomato sauce. Then I'm going to add my last egg. Then I'm going to let my shakshuka cook for about 5 minutes on low. So it's also going to depend on how you like your eggs. If you like your eggs runny, it's going to be a couple of minutes. And also you can cover your pan so that the eggs can cook through. But mine, I'm going to cook 5 minutes on the stove top and 5 minutes in the oven because I love my eggs well cooked. Yeah, so if you like runny, yeah, it's only going to take about 5 minutes and your eggs will be ready. But if you like well done eggs, make sure that you reduce the flames to low and cover. Yeah. My shakshuka is out of the oven and it is still very hot because of the cast iron. So I'm going to wait for it to cool for at least 3 minutes to 5 if I'm able to. Very tempting. So thank you so much for watching, and hope I'll catch you on my next episode. And if you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give them a like, thumbs up. Bye.